Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are making garlic chive butter roasted potatoes. It is a delicious side dish made of potatoes and garlic chives. It's a simple preparation and can be served with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies. And hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make buttery potatoes with garlic chives for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are cooking buttery potatoes with garlic chives. So to cook this recipe, we have taken 4 medium-sized potatoes which we have peeled, and you can chop them in your desired size and shape. We have taken 1 inch of ginger. If you don't like ginger, just skip the ginger in this recipe. And we have taken some fresh garlic chives, and we need to chop these garlic chives finely to prepare this dish. So this is a very simple and easy dish which you can serve with any type of meal as a side dish, and it really tastes great, and you can prepare it with just a very few ingredients which can be found in your kitchen very easily. To make buttery potatoes with chives, we have heated a pan. Now add some butter in it. So don't let the butter burn, just melt it. Keep the flame on low while melting the butter so that it doesn't burn. Now add the grated ginger. Roll the ginger nicely for a minute. We need to roll the ginger good enough so that the rawness of the ginger goes away. And keep the flame on medium low. Once the ginger is roasted nicely, add the chopped potatoes. So we have washed the potatoes after chopping them. Give them a stir. Add salt as per your taste. If you are using the salted butter, adjust the salt accordingly. Now add some black pepper powder. Add the black pepper powder as per your taste. Mix it well. Keep the flame on medium low while cooking it. Mix it nicely so that the salt and black pepper mixes well with the potatoes. Now cover it with a lid, and we need to cook the potatoes nicely for at least 8 to 10 minutes until they have become tender. So give the potatoes a stir after 5 minutes just to make sure they are not sticking to the pan and they are cooking nicely. So cook the potatoes until they are tender. Now the potatoes are cooked nicely and they become soft. So if you press one potato with a spoon, it can be pressed very easily. You can see that the potatoes are cooked nicely. So now reduce the flame to low and add the chopped chives. Mix it really well. You don't need to cook the chives too much, just stir it and cook it for a minute. That's why we have added it after cooking the potatoes. Now turn off the flame and add the juice of half a lemon, or add the lemon juice as per your taste. If you don't want to make it so, just skip the lemon juice here. It will add an extra flavor to the potatoes and chives. Mix it well. So now we can serve the buttery potatoes with chives, and you can serve it as a side dish with any kind of meal. It really goes very well with non-vegetarian and vegetarian food. Friends, we have served buttery potatoes with chives. This side dish really tastes very delicious. You can serve it with any type of vegetarian or non-vegetarian meal. It really goes very well with all types of breads like roti, paratha, tortillas or rice. So enjoy it with your family and friends. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies channel for new recipes every week. And never miss a video from Big Foodies. And like and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.